surface of tongue is rough, isn't it? If it were smooth, what would happen? The food would have slipped away, no form grip. So it is the papillae. They help in compacting bolus, okay? And look here, the top layer is dead cell layers, keratinized. This is pointed. Here, dead cell layers.
Are those filiform?
These are filiform.
Yeah.
These are all filiform papillae. Okay? All right. So you have seen filiform. I'm going to show you. You have to stretch your imagination a little bit, you know. But that's okay. You can stretch your imagination. And I'm going to show you fungiform. And this is from human being. Oh, no, don't do that. I could have wasted about $4 or $5. That would be bad for hack economy. Hey, there you go. Fungiform, those are all dead cells, you know, made up, those are keratinized layers. These are fungiform papillae. Staining reaction is also a little bit different because, you know, when you stain the dead cells, you know, the kind of, anyway, let's not talk about that, but the bottom line is to identify the different types, okay? Sometimes one of the may seem like filiform, but this is fungiform. This appearance is due to the plane of section. You know, when you make a section, you have to have the tissue embedded in paraffin, in what is called paraffin?
Paraffin?
Sorry, paraffin or wax kind of thing. Paraffin, yeah. And when you cut, it can go through any, I mean, because during the processes, circumvallate papillae do not have stratified, do not have keratinized stratified epithelium, just non-keratinized stratified epithelium, like smooth. Can you see that? This is smooth, and this is the groove here, and this papilla has on the border the test buds. The test buds will be evident under higher magnification. And let me go for this magnification. And these structures, these are test buds. Under even higher magnification, you will see the test buds better, but I would like to point out these acini. These are glands. The glands present in the tongue. How do you know it's in the tongue? It's the tongue because of the test buds. Test buds can only be present in the tongue. It cannot be present in the stomach or in the pancreas unless some mad scientist grafted something, you know, intentionally to confuse the students. I'm just kidding. So by this structure, by this circumvallate papilla or vallate papilla, you know that this is from tongue. Good enough for tongue identification. And in the tongue, you can have only the glands that are located in tongue. These glands are called
Salivary gland.
not salivary gland. These are called lingual gland. Salivary gland is different. Sublingual gland. Okay, could you please, you, last. Okay, yes, could you please go and stand by the model, please? Like, these are special cells, sensory cells. And here is the taste bud pore. Okay? Many taste buds. This one, this one, this one. Please. If you go to a histology book also, you can find the test buds. The test buds, if you want to see the test buds, you have to go to chapter 17 that deals with special senses, okay? But I'm going to show you mother of all test buds. Mother of all test buds. And they are wonderful. So here we go, because you might have to identify a test bud. These are all circumvalid papillae or valid papillae. And this has been prepared from Mr. Bunny Rabbit. And what you see by the side of the groove, oh, this is useless. These are test buds. These are called test buds. I'm going to show you. Taste buds.
How about you just write it on there? That way I can see it in the picture I take.
Oh, I can write taste buds? Yeah, of course. Of course, you know.
No, not like that.
This is taste. Like taste buds. Okay. You can see the papilla, individual papilla, one papilla, two papillae. Look here, no keratinized, no dead cell layers, and these are the buds. Even under higher magnification, that will look wonderful. Look, a thing of beauty is a joy forever. Look at that. These are the special cells. Here is the test bud pore through which food molecule enters, food molecule, maybe say a sugar molecule, okay? And these cells will be stimulated, they will generate nerve impulses, and that will carry nerve impulses to the somatosensory area of the cortex, cerebral cortex, where that will be translated as a sensation, taste sensation. Oh, it's so sweet. Yeah? So, with these test buds, Mr. Bunny Rabbit would appreciate the taste of carrot. So that reminds me of the nursery rhyme that was one of the favorites of my son. And in